You said, are we Jamaican? Yes, but we still know rap songs. Because don't do that. You are crazy. But check this out. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Boom. No, I'm kidding. With a car. Come on, Butler Jeffrey. Like, no. So we just picked up this rental car, and my brother and his fiance, they are arriving. Well, they're here. They're getting their suitcases and stuff. So we're just waiting for him to get here, and once they do, we are going to just chill out so we can check in. Boy, bye. They're here. Hey guys. Oh, are you vlogging too? Are you vlogging? Hey girl.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I am.
Alright, what's up? Hey. Usually I always go to the Airbnb, check it out, what the area looks like.
So you want to go like
and then see what's around there to kind of hang out.
Then they did say there are restaurants and stuff, like the reviews and stuff, like within walking distance. So
Oh, that's cool.
we can do that.
Okay. I would say drop our bags off, but we have a bag. No, sometimes they let you drop your bags, but no, there's a car, so it's fine.
I cannot believe I'm driving right now.
In a whole state that we don't know.
In a whole state that I don't know. Tyrell knows that he drives. Even in the states that I do know, he be driving.
Yeah.
So this is really ghetto. I'm like driving all slow and stuff.
Are you driving slow?
Well, it kind of feels like it. I'm not. Okay.
She's upset because she has to drive.
Okay, well, you can't just do something for 10 years and then expect me to do it after 10 years.
It'd be like that sometimes.
The number is, I'm sorry, hold on real quick. The red A button on the keypad to unlock the
She thought.
Never mind. Wow.
Girl, you're hilarious.
What's the name of this book?
Blade and Timber.
Oh, that's the name of the place.
Testing it out. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay.
You ready?
All right. Not really, but I'll try.
Okay, you're making me just fine.
Quite parched.
You know what? I was thinking about it. You really shouldn't drink alcohol while doing
Yeah, that was
this.
easy. That was crazy.
And then right with the right
I mean, because if I ran something like that, I have to tell myself
There you go, go to the head.
Yeah, definitely.
There you go. So, good rotation. I want you to aim a little higher. Go slow. You're doing good.
That would be what, 1 point, right? So that means that's 0 points. Dang.
Go Ty. Go Marcus. I totally lost.
Orlando here. We have one other behind. Hey, Nella, hey. Say hey. Say hey.
Hey.
Thank you, Sholando. Say hey, please.
Hey.
You know, we're going to the market today. We're going to just look around.
Tara hush.
You know, and just to see what's out there. You know, they said there's great restaurants. They said the market is one of the places you have to go to. Okay, so we're going to the market today, guys. So just come with us today and just.
Ty, shush. Outfit of the day. Comfy, cute. It's always the vibe when you're walking. So we are going to Pike Market something. Pike something market. I should know this because I looked it up a million times. But we just been chilling all day, for real relaxing. And we're hungry, so we're gonna go to this market because everybody says that you need to go to this market. So we're gonna go get some food, walk around, chill, you know, all that good stuff. So see me out. We're out here at Pike City Market. It's Pike, whatever. But we're out here. It's so cold. You did not bring jackets. So we out. It's called Public Market Center. See, I definitely made the name up, but we're here. This is cute. I wish we could eat there. We are struggling to find food right now, okay? I don't know what's going on. They said there was food everywhere. I don't know if it's the hours. I don't know what it is. But
Things say they close at 6.
oh, but it's not 6.
Most. 5:19.
Oh, I can see it, bro. We settled on Elliot's. This is where we're eating, and they have us sitting
Spicy crab and
by the waterfront. So I already took a bite of my food because I completely almost forgot about it. But I got the salmon and a side of potatoes, which is really good. And there's like oysters and stuff. My brother and my husband said they're really good. I do not eat oysters, but I guess if you're an oyster eater, this place, what is it called again?
Elliot's.
You said it's
called Elliot's.
Elliot's. Elliot's is a good place to visit. It's like sitting, you have options to sit out here like near the waterfront. Ty's head is in the way, but you can sit near the waterfront, and it has like heaters and stuff. So yeah, that's always great. So that food was really good, but it's so cold. We're trying to hurry up and get to the car, and now we see the gum wall. So we're gonna go slice upstairs. Look, okay, first of all, show Raven so they'll know I'm not being dramatic. Because she is dead too.
I'm dying. If I didn't have asthma before,
You got asthma now? But look, the gum wall. It's right here. Don't mind the outfit. I have to throw this on because it's cold. But the gum wall, I don't have any gum to stick on it. But it's literally a wall of gum. It's a wall of gum. So sick. This is sick. Seattle has a lot of hills. It's a very hilly state, or city rather. And I didn't know that before I got here, so I definitely learned that.
super hilly.
So we're back from Pike City or Pike Market, whatever. I keep butchering the name of that place, but we're back from the market. We're all chilling. Look, they're so tired. I don't understand right now. Wake up. But we're about to order some Uber Eats because we want some dessert. So we're ordering some some cookies from Midnight Cookies. So we're ordering from Midnight Cookies. Delivery. So they have a box of 6, a box of 12, Should we do 12? They all went to sleep, but I stayed up for the cookies, okay? Here are the cookies. Interesting. We got the Fruity Pebbles cookie, chocolate chip, got macadamia, and then snickerdoodles. So I'm gonna get this one.
I told myself for this trip that I'm gonna dress down as much as possible.
That's what's up, though. You
That's right.
Yeah, that's what's up. Lana said, enough of that shit.
Look, he's like, I'm hungry. Y'all talking too much. We are walking to get some breakfast. So excited to spend some more time in Seattle. It's been good so far. There's so much Pride stuff and I'm here for it. A lot of the crosswalk have Pride signs. A lot of the buildings have Black Lives Matter and Pride signs. And I'm here for it. So we're about to eat here at Lost Lake. Everything's within walking distance, so that's pretty cool. Outdoor dining. We just ordered some mimosas. Hi. Hi, doing his coffee on. So hungry and ready to eat.
These kids.
And look at the food.
Yeah.
I'll let you guys know how it tastes. You said, are we Jamaican? Yes, but we still know rap songs. Because don't do that. Don't do that. You are crazy. But check this out. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Boom. No, I'm kidding. So we're going to we're trying to find a mall or whatever. And Raven back there, she takes a nap between every activity, which I'm not quite sure if I understand. So the mall's like 20 minutes away and she'll be like, I'm gonna take a nap until we get there. That way I can be refreshed. And I'm like, people do that? So she'll be asleep.
Leave a comment down below. Let me know if this is true.
Right, no. Leave a comment down below and let me know if y'all go to sleep in between activities, like when you're commuting to the next location, because I don't quite know if I get it.
Sounds okay.
I think you take every opportunity to take a nap. Let's say that.
It's only been one time a day. Yesterday was 2.
Raven.
Yeah.
The justification.
Can't be
She's
one time a
justifying
day if
it.
Yesterday was 2.
Yesterday was
What you say?
Can't be one time a day if yesterday.
But here's the thing. Yesterday's happened after like 11 or 12. It's like almost a whole new day.
That sounds like excuses. It does. But I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna let her take a nap.
Yeah, I'll be back.
You'll be back. She said she'll be back. So we're on the way to find a mall. So this store has an H&M Home, and I've never seen one like that. Our H&M does not have items like this. That's really interesting.
This is H&M Home.
Yeah, I don't think have you guys seen one like this?
Yeah.
No, never. Tyrell claimed he has. Colorado?
They had one on top.
I didn't know.
It was H&M Home.
It's a no. It's a no for me.
These limited editions.
What does it really say on there?
Edition.
Whole time.
We're headed to the
Oh, it's
jacuzzi.
She bust out laughing in rain.
In 40-degree weather. We're headed to the hot tub boats. Whoop, whoop. Let go, let go, let go, let go.
Todd wants lavender.
Epsom salt. I don't care. I'm between milk and honey and lavender.
I'm between those two.
Which one do you recommend?
Between those two, I get a lot of lavender in my life, I'll be honest. So then I go with what's the next best thing is milk and honey.
Okay.
But he did say he get a lot of lavender. What that mean?
If you don't have a lot of lavender in your life.
So we're gonna put some Epsom salt in our jacuzzi.
Watch your step coming down on the bar here.
Okay.
To the left, you can go up to the Aurora Bridge. We ask that you don't go past it. Have the engine hatch up here. Because if you want to turn around, this back road. I will also say be very careful with your cameras. I know the similar bridge, but similar backup situation. When you're paying attention, the deck is slanted and slick, and it did a scoop and splash. So just be very careful.
Oh no. Okay.
The first kind of small burst is to get out of small spaces like this, and then when you get into open water, you can unleash its full potential at 4.5 miles per hour.
All right. That's hilarious.
You guys are all set.
Thank you so
See you
much.
back here at 11. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
My name is Steven.
Thanks, Steven.
Jacuzzi boat.
This is so cool.
Driving the boat.
Okay, yep.
Drive the boat.
Driving the boat.
Driving the boat.
We are out here.
Joystick.
Oh, we're on a jacuzzi boat. How cool is that? This is so cool. See, listen, I live for experiences. Like, that's my biggest thing. And I plan to live my life that way for as long as I possibly can. Experiences.
Yeah, we are at like point number 1, right?
What's the point of
Is
it?
that what you said? These things are like floating houses. I'm telling you, yo.
Oh my God.
That's at least a new.
Listen, I told Noah, when big money comes, this is the yacht we're gonna be on for a week.
No, seriously.
Like for a week.
Oh, look over there, guys.
Over where?
Look at like all the homes over there. It's giving like LA, the hills, just a little. Yeah, it is.
What I've seen in TV.
This is the coolest thing. Wow. And when he said we can always put it in the GPS.
Oh yeah, and don't go past the bridge, right?
Is it that blue bridge?
He said don't go past the Aurora Bridge.
Whatever that is. The hot tub was dope. Seriously dope. You guys definitely have to check it out. Definitely gotta check it out. So now we're about to hurry up and go to the house to get dressed because we're going wine tasting. After the, what is it called? Jacuzzi boat? We decided we we're gonna head out to a wine tasting. I think it's wine tasting. You can do wine tasting there, but we reserved a little spot over there. So hopefully we'll still get to do wine tasting over there. But we're on our way now. Different wines to try out. Little meat and cheese plate. Just ready.
So I can taste the sparkling.
This is good. I like this.
I'm really loving number.
This is good. They also gave us a flight of different wines to try. And they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and it corresponds with the menu, so we'll know exactly what we're trying. And it's really cool because they don't come inside of our tent. Just for COVID safety reasons, they just hand us everything and we're ordering. But this is such a good trip.
All of these have our artichoke, carved artichoke, and the
slider. Tenderloin slider. Didn't we get 3 things though? Oh, the meatballs are coming.
Oh,
an 8. I'm really loving this experience. Definitely would recommend getting, well, at least coming to this place. You don't have to do an Igloo. It's a little bit pricey. $175 to reserve it. It comes with like the meat and cheese and a bottle of wine. But they have like options for wine tasting inside. You don't necessarily have to do it. I definitely recommend this. I'll put their website in the description of the video for you guys. So today's the last day in Seattle, and it's been amazing. Like, I can't even complain. There are a lot of things to do here. If you're ever considering coming here, definitely just take the time and look at all the things that they have here, because I feel like there are a ton of activities. Things that you probably wouldn't expect to be here, they're here. Like the hot tub boat. The wine tasting experience was really nice. Of course, you can wine taste everywhere, but that wine tasting spot was pretty cute. What else did we do? We're going to the Space Needle. They have a ton of restaurants, whether it be regular restaurants, fine dining. And the good thing is that everything's like nearby, within like a 10-minute drive. So if you don't want to rent a car, we rented a car, but if you don't want to rent a car, you can Uber everywhere. You can literally Uber to activities, restaurants, shopping, anything that you can really think of is within like a 10 to maybe 15-minute drive. The weather here, it is not as warm as the East Coast, but that's okay. I already knew that before I got here. So yeah, we didn't have any raining like I thought that we would. Before we left, the forecast said it would practically rain the whole time. It drizzled a little bit on the first day, but all the other days we just had like cloudiness. We're gonna eat breakfast and head out to the Space Needle to see what that's about. So I'm gonna catch you guys a little bit later. So we are rushing, you know. We're gonna get there right on time though. But we're finally headed out to the Space Needle. We're all dressed and stuff. So we on the way. We on the way. The view is so pretty. Such a pretty view.
It is.
We're going down to the revolving glass floor. Look at that. Revolving glass floor. It's the world's first and only revolving glass floor. It's pretty cool. I thought I'd be scared, but I'm not. If you watch closely, you'll see that I am moving, and the things beneath me are not. So, we decided to randomly get drinks at the Space Needle and stuff. They have a little area that you can sit and enjoy the views and order drinks a la carte. They are kind of pricey a little bit, but I think it's worth the experience. To see the view, it's really nice. It's a beautiful venue. But yeah, check out the outfit of the day. Got the all black poppin'. But yeah, after we are finished having our little drinks and stuff, we're waiting for our wine to come out. Then we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So we just left the Space Needle. We bought the kids, you know, because we do have children. We bought them some stuff. Got Malachi a little Space Needle puzzle. He, for some reason, has an obsession with little water bottles and stuff. So we picked up a little bottle that he can put drinks in. And then they bought their kids, they have girls, so they bought their girls stuff. A little bottle that's shaped like a little rocket. And then some cute little socks. Here. Aren't these so cute? I think Lexi will love these. And then Kyla is gonna be really pressed for this candy. It's so cute. see, they have some really cute souvenirs if you're into souvenirs and stuff. So we just pulled up at Daniel's Broilers. This is where we're having dinner tonight. We're in Bellevue, which is about 20 minutes outside of Seattle. Here we are. We're about to have a really nice dinner. They're parking our car over there. And we are just excited. Dinner time with the crew. Nice little view. So it's time for us to go home. We're just waiting to drop Orlando, my brother and his fiance off. We'll probably just grab some food until our flight, because our flight leaves at 3:50 and it's like 9:45 right now in the morning. So we're just chilling, watching TV, relaxing until it's time to go. Okay, so yeah, this is my outfit of the day. Traveling in comfort. Got my little ones on that I waited forever to get. My plug put me on. But yeah, traveling in comfort. Got the beats with lights. All that.